Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Russell again, RG for short. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, we are covering home-based job videos, work from home opportunities, and we are also doing reviews and tutorials about earning websites and applications. Kaya naman if interested ka in this type of videos, please consider subscribing. Click mo na yung subscribe button below. And please click on the notification bell para naman updated ka every time mag-upload tayo ng bagong videos. For today, meron akong gustong i-share na panibagong web-based platform kung saan pwede tayong kumita habang nasa bahay lang. We can earn a few dollars by using this website. Paano ba tayo kikita sa website na to? Would you believe me na kaya natin kumita ng extra few dollars by playing games, installing games, answering surveys, and watching videos? Yes guys, you heard it right. By just doing all those micro tasks, we can earn money while just staying at home. So if you are interested in this video, please stay tuned and watch this until the very end. So ayun na nga guys, yung gusto kong i-share na web-based platform sa inyo for today, it's called GG2U or Good Game 2U. I will put the link for the registration link below. You can check the description box and you can also earn an extra dollar by registering through that link. Let's go to their website, gg2u.org. So as mentioned earlier, by just watching videos and taking surveys and any other offers na meron kay GG2U, we can earn a few extra dollars while just staying at home. Discuss muna natin yung mga frequently asked questions. So with GG2U, is it free to join? Of course guys, the reason why we are looking for websites like this is because we are looking for extra income. So with GG2U, it's totally free, wala kang babayaran, and ikaw mismo yung makakakuha ng points which is convertible to dollars when you join this website. So you can get your payout through PayPal or through Bitcoin. And they also indicated here that you can join if you are at least 18 years old. So dapat 18 years old pataas. Pero if you are 13 to 17 years old and you have permission from a parent or guardian, it's totally fine. So in-indicate naman nila yan dyan. So with GG2, yung meron din tayong makukuhang silver tokens na tinatawag every time na manonood tayo ng video. So for every 200 video points, so etong video points na to can be converted into a silver token. And then itong si silver token, we can convert this into cash. How do payout works? They would pay you either through PayPal or through Coinbase. So pagka sign up nyo pa lang guys, may makukuha na kayong $1 and there is a minimum amount for you to get your payout. If you have received or if you have accumulated a total of $7 on your account, you can already withdraw. Also, if you don't want to get paid through PayPal or Bitcoin, may option din to get paid through gift card. Meron din sila guys dito referral program. So, every time you refer someone, 5% of their earnings will go towards your account. So those are the important questions that we need to know. And also, if you encounter any problem with surveys, video games, or if you will not get your points, or kung ano man yung issues na ma-encounter nyo while using this app, the good thing about this guys is meron silang support. So now let's try to sign up. First, of course, we need to fill out our personal information to create our account. So yun guys, after registering, you will notice na meron ka na agad $1 as a registration bonus. Gaya ng makikita nyo dito, get $6 more to reach $7. So kapag napuno tong bar na to, naka $7 ka na, we can already request for payout. So now, etong mga nakikita nyo dito, these are all the offers and surveys na pwede mong gawin to earn points. And if you will notice here, 100 coins is equivalent to $1. Sabi ko sa inyo guys kanina, by just playing games, you can earn points using this website. So let's try this one, add gem. So let's click on Android. So say for example, the following games are available on Android devices and these are the equivalent points na makukuha nyo. So say for example, for State of Survival, you will get 419 coins. So equivalent is around $4. Pero meron kang kailangan makomplete na tasks. So you need to install the game, of course, then play it until you complete Headquarters level 21. And then after that, you will be receiving your points, which is 419 coins. So we have a lot of games and tasks from where you can earn coins, so you can convert it to dollars. Say for this one, Rush Royale, you need to play Tower Defense and collect 2 legendary cards in 14 days. And then after that, you will redeem your points. So I don't know how this game works, pero I think if it would take a week to just get $1, 'di ba? Guys, 115 coins, you can just get $1 from this game. It could take up 1 to 2 weeks, 'di ba? Sobrang minimal ng income dito kay GG2U, pero if you're a person na talagang mahilig sa mga games like this or mahilig kang mag-install ng kung ano nung game sa phone mo, I think it's really best for you to use this website. So while you are enjoying playing games, you are also accumulating points that you can convert to cash after a few days. And aside from games, we also have videos. So eto guys, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na every time you watch videos, makakaipon kayo ng points, and once you reach 200 video points, you will receive a silver token. So etong si silver token, pwede nyo to gamitin para manalo ng cash between $1 to $3. Another thing about this guys is sa panonood ng video, you can play it on your background, on your device background. Yung mga videos na papanoorin nyo, it will keep advancing automatically. So that means na kapag tapos na yung isang video, automatically magpo-proceed to next video. So tuloy-tuloy lang siya at tuloy-tuloy din yung points na makukuha nyo. They would require a hideout account so you can start redeeming your GG2U video points. So you just need to click on this link and create your hideout account. So nire-require na to ngayon ni GG2. You just sign up for an account. You can sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook para mas mabilis. That's two things you can do dito kay GG2U. Install games and play games and then watch videos. And the other one guys is of course to answer surveys or participate with surveys. So etong mga ibang link na to, most of them are surveys. So, eto namang stats log, dito nyo makikita yung mga tasks or earnings nyo. It will display all the details. Say for example, yung games, gaano nyo siya katagal nilaro, how much yung na-earn nyo. It will display everything. It's like a time log for your earnings. Dito naman guys, sa manage account, dito kayo pwedeng mag-request ng payout. You can just click on request payout and you will receive your pay. Tapos meron din sila ditong pakulo guys na onte na for every 5 payouts, so that means kapag nakalimang beses ka nang nag-request ng payout or gift card request, mabibigyan ng chance to spin with their golden prize wheel. So parang yung silver token lang to guys, parang may spin something din dyan para makuha mo yung $1 to $3 na reward for videos. So dito naman, kapag nakalimang payout ka na, may option ka to spin for golden prize wheel and get a chance to win an extra $7. So that means an extra payout. So ang pwede mong makuhang range ng amount for spinning the golden prize wheel is between $1 to $7. Dito nyo makikita guys kung ilan yung gold tokens nyo. So, i-click nyo lang to para dun sa golden prize wheel if in case may token na kayo. So, ayun guys, lahat ng information na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. with GG2U. Overall, I would recommend this application to those na mahilig talagang mag-install and maglaro ng iba-ibang games. So while you are playing this type of games, pwede kang maka-earn ng points and at the same time, ma-convert yung points into dollars so you can withdraw that. Aside from playing games, pwede ka rin maka-earn ng points by watching videos, answering surveys, or any other offers na meron dito kay GG2U. If you will ask me the question na by doing this, makakabayad ka ba ng bills or masusupport ba nitong GG2U yung daily needs mo? For me, it's a no, guys. Yes, we can earn a few extra dollars or a few money, pero it will not be enough to pay your bills or to support your daily needs. So, hindi siya mako-consider na stable income. For me, it's really just an extra income, like an extra dollars that we can earn by doing GG2U on our spare time. Even though the amount is just minimal, I know for some it will be a great help. If you're currently working and you have a lot of free time at home, outside of your work hours, pwede mo rin gawin si GG2U for extra dollars. GG2U is still a way for us to earn while just staying at home. Yun nga lang, hindi siya makakonsider as stable income kung saan natin pwede i-depend yung mga daily needs and bills na kailangan nating bayaran. That's it for today, guys. Yan yung mga gusto kong i-share sa inyo. And if you are looking for stable jobs, we have a lot of job opportunities or freelancing opportunities online. So, meron din tayong ilang videos about that. You can visit my channel and check out more videos for stable job or stable income jobs. Yan lang muna for today, guys. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video natin for today, please leave a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be updated every time we upload new videos. Again, this is Russell and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys!